In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts to Wix. Step-by-step guide to you. First, open your editor. Log in to your Wix account and open the site you want to work on in the Wix editor or Wix Studio. Both interfaces share the same core tools for typography, so choose the one your project uses. Next, head to your site styles. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the site styles icon. It looks like the letter A paired with a droplet or a tiny paintbrush. This panel is the control center for your brand's look and feel, including colors and, most importantly for today, type. Inside Site Styles, navigate to Typography. You'll see your global text styles such as Heading 1, Heading 2, and Paragraph. Editing these styles ensures your choices carry through the entire site automatically, so you don't have to update each text box one by one. Open the font selector by clicking any text style you want to change, then click the current font name to reveal the full list of available typefaces. This dropdown is where your new font will live once it's uploaded. To upload your custom font, scroll to the bottom of that list and click Upload Fonts. Select your font file from your computer. Wix supports .ttf, .otf, and WAF formats. If your family includes multiple weights or styles like light, regular, bold, or italic, upload each file individually so every variation is available in your design system. This makes it easy to keep headings strong and body text readable. When the upload finishes, your font appears at the top of the list under My Fonts. Click it to apply the typeface to the style you're editing. You'll see the change take effect right away across your site wherever that global style is used, which is a great way to preview consistency in real time. Finally, review and maintain consistency. Apply your custom font thoughtfully across your different heading levels and paragraph styles to create a cohesive hierarchy. Keep an eye on readability and contrast, especially on mobile, and avoid mixing too many fonts or weights. Just as important, double check that you have the proper license to use the font on a live website. And that's it. You've uploaded and applied a custom font to your Wix site using global styles, keeping your brand polished and consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.